So what are the improvements and lessons that I can learn from it is the first thing is that don't overtrade it, and then the second thing is that um don't like um so don't just like don't just close your position off of like I don't know what am I supposed to say. Like the thing is that if I hadn't just closed my position off here after this bearish rally got disrespected, prices just want to retrace into the 79% retracement levels and then push higher. So that's what the market was doing, right? So the first thing is that don't overtrade, and the second thing is that don't just close your position off of here. You have to be comfortable with being in a drawdown, right? And the second thing is that don't try to get trade against the like 15-minute bullish Ferrari gap. And I took short off of 1 minute while trading at the 15-minute really bullish Ferrari gap, right? And then the second thing is that when my trade proved to be a completely wrong, there is no reason for me to stay with the buy. Sorry, in this example, that 5 minute bullish Ferrari gap got retraced to it. 1 minute bullish BPR, 1 minute Ferrari gap. I entered off of. Okay, so price retraced back to the bullish Ferrari gap and failed to show a continuation to the downside. I mean to the upside, right? Instead, prices did 1 minute break of structure to the downside. So that's what I'm recognize conviction. That's where I recognize and find opportunities to go short, all right? Catch the opportunity, right? So yeah, that's a thing. And and don't don't close your winning position too fast, bro. Just let it run, relax. Take some partials off and make it to break even, okay? And if I let it run, I said it before, this would have been a 1 to 20 risk to reward trade, brother. See that shit? See that shit? 1 to 20, bro. 1 to 20 risk to reward trade. What else do you want? Nothing. Okay. And and what I'm gonna do now is that, and the second thing is that just see what happens. Just let it run. Don't cut your winning trades too early, because if you do that, you won't overcome overtake your losses. So that's how you eat your losses. Okay, you have to win, but it's about how much you win. All right. Like if you let your winners run and let it run, and it can eat your losses. So that's the one advantage that I can learn from it, right? And mm, the confluences on the first trade was pretty much the one of the best confluences. Like 1 minute bearish S&T, 1 minute bearish BPR that over just like ate the bullish Ferrari gap, and bearish BPR plus break of structure to the downside. Prices retrace back to it. Yeah, kind of retrace to 79%, which is kind of deep premium, and even over disrespected this bearish Ferrari gap. But then guess what? It goes our direction. Okay. So yeah, let your winners run. Sometimes just be comfortable in drawdown, and You know, um, we recognize conviction fast. If your trade's proven to be wrong, just take, but be rational thinking and be probable and thinking impartiality, thinking discipline, thinking um, rational. Don't get emotions involved, right? So these are the lessons that I can, like learn from it. Yep.